Why do some people build lives others only dream of, while most give up halfway? It's not luck. It's not even motivation. It's discipline. Motivation is unreliable. It's that spark you feel after watching a powerful video or hearing an inspiring story. But what happens when the spark fades? Studies show 92% of New Year's resolutions fail. Not because people don't want to change, but because they rely on fleeting feelings. Discipline is different. Discipline is doing what must be done, especially when you don't feel like it. Think of Marcus Aurelius, the philosopher king, writing by candlelight before dawn, reminding himself daily of what mattered. Think of athletes who rise at 5 a.m. to train, not because they feel like it, but because they've trained themselves to show up no matter what. Research shows that people who build disciplined habits are 60% more likely to achieve their long-term goals. Discipline changes everything because it builds trust, not with others, but with yourself. Every time you do what you promised yourself you'd do, you cast a vote for the person you want to become. And confidence? It comes from evidence. When your actions match your promises, you begin to trust yourself completely. And with enough discipline, small actions snowball into unstoppable momentum. You start to see the compound interest of effort. One workout becomes 10. 10 workouts become a lifestyle. A few minutes of study each day builds into mastery. A tiny act of courage daily rewires your brain for resilience. Science calls this neuroplasticity. The brain's ability to reshape itself through repeated action. Every disciplined act literally rewires your mind to make the next act easier. And here's the paradox. Discipline doesn't trap you. It frees you, because the person who can't control themselves will always be controlled. By something else, by fear, by laziness, by distraction. So ask yourself, where could you be in 5 years if you built the discipline to do what you know you should? How different would your life look? Motivation fades, discipline endures. It's not about waiting to feel ready. It's about showing up again and again and again. Master discipline, and you'll master your future.